Good morning, everyone. We have a filing to discuss today out of the MIAX, and we're discussing SR MIAX 2021-22. And this is a notice of filing and immediate effectiveness of a proposed rule change to delay implementation of an amendment to Rule 518, complex orders, to permit legging through the simple market. So, what is MIAX? That stands for the Miami International Securities Exchange, LLC. They are an SRO, or a self-regulatory organization, so they have the ability to file something and then it becomes immediately effective thereafter. And although they are self-regulated and privately owned, the government still can dictate their broader policies if necessary. And some examples include a lot of the places we've seen filings come from: NYSE, Chicago Board of Trade, American Council of Life Insurers, FINRA, Fixed Income Clearing Corporation, and the OCC, of course. And their primary function over at MIAX, and they are a subsidiary of Miami International Holdings, one of many subsidiaries. And they're a fully electronic options exchange for the trading of OCC-issued standardized options on equities and ETFs as well. So the progress of this filing, we first saw this file back in October of 2019, like right before COVID started, which is interesting in and of itself. Then it was delayed until the second quarter of 2021, which was this May 21st. And then now this filing that we see here is proposing to delay the implementation of this rule even further. And what this rule does, we'll talk about on the next page, but it's pretty interesting. It involves the NBBO. Now, a circular is a written statement of government policy. It will often provide information, guidance, rules, and or background information on legislative or procedural matters. And the purpose of this filing, of course, is to remove the provision which provides that a component of a complex order that lags into the simple order book may not execute at a price that is outside the NBBO. And now the NBBO shows the best available ask price and best available bid price throughout multiple exchanges. The simple order book is the exchange's regular electronic book of orders and quotes. So like what we see on Webull, things like that. The NBBO, I believe it has a section in there as well. If you scroll down, you can actually see the NBBO orders and you'll see the MPID of the exchange listed. So that's what that is. So that you've been looking at this stuff this whole time and now you know what it is. The exchange proposes this delay, and they're claiming in order to allow to complete the reprioritization of software delivery and release schedule as a result of the COVID virus. So the exchange will issue a regulatory circle notifying market participants at least 45 days prior to implementing this functionality. And this could be of some dramatic improvement in the market because the NBBO oftentimes, if you go outside of it, the NBBO may not actually be the best bid or offer. So, as a summary, or in essence, at any time, so this is a self-filed filing from the MIAX because they're SRO, they have the ability to do this. However, if the SEC wanted to go ahead and implement this to allow orders in the simple market using these complex legging strategies, at any time within 60 days, the SEC can not approve this rule change. Or they could suspend it. If they deem necessary, we'll have to wait and see. This just posted to the Fed Register this morning, so not sure if it's going to post tomorrow like it says. Oftentimes they do get redated to further on down the road, so we'll have to see. But if you're wondering what a complex order was, it's any order, and this should sound familiar, it's any order involving the concurrent purchase and or sale of two or more different options in the same underlying security, the legs or components of the complex order, for the same account in a ratio that is equal to or greater than 1:3 and less than or equal to 3:1, and for the purposes of executing a particular investment strategy. Hope this helped, and let's go to the moon today. What do y'all think? I have one more to bring up, and I will get that ready and present it here in a little bit.